Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Christy Rocks XO. So I'm here back at the 99 cent only store, and they have some more Halloween decor out. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take you around and let you see what they have. So up here we have some sombreros, and these are for $1.99. And over here we have some captain hats. And these are for $1.99 as well. And then we have these. I don't know what this is for, but this is $1.99 as well. Is that like a character or something? I'm not quite sure. All right, so down here we have some veils or some headbands, and then we have a cape. All right, so right here we have this really cute bumblebee accessory costume. So you pair that with some black leggings, a black long sleeve, and your cute little bumblebee is gonna have the cutest costume. Here we have these Day of the Dead inspired banners, which I think are stunning. And right here we have some knee-high stockings in a different varieties. And then here for $4.99 you have these really cute princess costumes. I think those are so cute, and if you want to spook it up, then you can make her a dead princess. And over here we have this really cute kitty costume accessory pack. So it comes with the ears, the little bow tie, and the skirt. I think that is so cute. And then look at this huge spider with the googly eyes, and then we do have a bat on top of him. Those were, I think, $1.99. And then here we have these Purge inspired masks. I think so anyways. They do light up, which I think is so cool. And over here we have some more masks. I personally like to buy the masks from the 99 cent only store, and I like to put them on my scarecrows around Halloween time that I have on my porch. I think it just adds that extra touch. And here we have these witch hats, and they do come in orange, pink, and purple. These are for 99 cents. And then down here we have this hat, and it does have some white hair aligned on the bottom. I think that would be super cool and creepy. And over here we have some fake tattoos and some fake wounds that you can apply on your body, some face paint. And here we have these syringes. I love using these, especially at a Halloween party. And here we have this beautiful, stunning bracelet. I wanted it so bad. I didn't get it. It is substantial. It is not plastic. It's almost like metal, and it's heavy, and it's nice. I should have got it. I'll probably go back for it. Here we have this banner in a fortune teller theme, and it says Happy Halloween. It is so cute. I love banners. They have my heart. There was another skull one, and they have a ton of Day of the Dead things. Here is this kitchen towel, and it has roses and flowers all over it, or I don't know, those are probably not roses. So those towels were 99 cents, and the drying mat was $1.99. They have so many cute items. They have, you know, table covers, they have table mats, creepy cloth, just a ton of things. I'm so excited. The girl said that they have about 6 huge pallets in the back. I wanted to go in the back and take those pallets out and help them stock because I want everything. I want to see everything already. So look at these pieces, the bloody hand, the foot, and the bloody heart. Those would be so cool at a Halloween party or in your Halloween decor period. And then here we have these signs that say keep out and beware. You can put those in your yard or a planter or anywhere. And then they had some wreaths, and then they have these felt pieces. Some more Day of the Dead pieces. These are little boxes that you can, you know, put some little treats in, some food, you know, do whatever you want with those. And then here they have these glow in the dark sprays. There's 3 pieces in there. I mean, what? For 99 cents? You put those anywhere when you're trick-or-treating, and the cars will not miss you, or your children will not get lost. And here we have some window clings and some more signs that say trick or treat. And then these pillows are so cute. They also have another style, which is a Ouija board that I don't know, I want it but I don't want it, I don't know. So this one says trick or treat, so cute, in the black truck. I love those. They're really, really cute. And then here we have these cones, and there's a witch hat, a pumpkin, and those are $1.99. And here we have a Frankenstein. What? Frankenstein? You can use those on a tabletop at a kid's party. Oh my gosh, the options are endless here at the 99-cent only store. And then here we have these solar lights, and they do come in purple, orange, and green. Some more solar lights, spooky eyeballs. You can use those for like DIYs. You can just take them apart. And then here we have some more lights. These are not solar lights. I think they're not. I think they're just regular lights that you can, you know, walk around with. And they're so cute. Anyways, here is some more signs. You could put those in a wreath or any type of centerpiece. So these pieces right here are stunning. I love them. One says fortune telling, and the other one says come in for a spell. And then here we have these two signs that says beware and wicked. Those were the only two left. They probably will be putting out more stuff. Like I said, they have like huge pallets in the back, and I literally wanted to help the girls stock them. And here we have some more boxes and stuff like that. Look at these cups, you guys. Beetlejuice vibes for sure with the black and white. This one has like a little pumpkin inside. These would be good gifts for like a teacher or just anybody that likes to drink something hot. So many different options. And look at these. I have a pair of these. These are skeleton lights. They light up and they're so dope. Here we have these spiders. They do have them in red, orange, and black and white. I definitely see me using the black and white ones for my Halloween party if everything goes well with this world, because things are just crazy. And then here we have this cute little bear in a pumpkin costume. I think it's a bear. I didn't know if it was a bear or a dog. I think it's a bear. And check out these unicorn skellies. They are different for sure. They do have them in pink and in white. And then here we have these horses. So this one has maroon flowers on it with the black and the white. And this one has pink roses and with blue, little touches of blue. I think it is so cute. Definitely Day of the Dead inspired. Beautiful horses. This right here, if you're having a Day of the Dead party, would be so perfect for you, especially these crosses. That would go perfect at any Day of the Dead themed party. Alright, and these signs right here are so cool. So they say Dead End, Spooky Road, Haunted Highway, That Highway, Black Cave Road, and Dead End. I think they are so cool, and they would go perfect on my front porch. So I'm definitely going to pick up a couple of those signs because they're so cool. And this skull picture right here is stunning. You guys, can you believe that this is only $1.99? I couldn't believe my eyes. I was like, wow, $1.99. So cool. And then here we have this picture here. It's very much vintage. It says Happy Halloween. It has a cat, witch, ghost, $4.99. It does light up. Unfortunately, they didn't have any batteries inside and they weren't lighting up, so And over here we have this picture that says Boo, most definitely vintage. It has the ghost with the jack-o'-lanterns and I love it, but I don't decorate with orange, so I didn't pick it up. But if you love it, I suggest you go now because they will sell out. Alright, so that's going to bring this video to an end, but don't be alarmed because I have a few more videos just waiting to be released, and they are Halloween related. So stay tuned, get subscribed, hang out with your girl for a while, and until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye!